Alright guys, we're going to be doing a technical analysis 101 on a typical candle formation known as the morning star. And the morning star is a 3-candlestick pattern that normally forms at the end of a downtrend, and it is a bullish reversal pattern. In other words, I'd like to call these as trend pivots. So this is what you're expecting, is got your downtrend, you're expecting this to pivot when you see this 3-body candles formation and the trend reversing to the upside. Right, now let's have a look at its structure. So normally you would want your candle here to obviously be bearish, but these two are actually fairly important because you want to have a small body formation over here. Now it could also form a cross, and this could also be red instead of green. Now, if you're seeing a cross or just red, what that is indicating to you is that there is indecisiveness between the bulls and the bears. Then what you want is a follow-up of a confirmation of your green candle. And this is typically what the structure looks like. And in our case, in our particular image, because we've got a green, this indicates this more bullishness. But just be aware, if you just see the cross itself, or if this candle body itself is red, as explained, it's just simply indecisiveness in the market. Right, so how would you actually play this? So I would wait for the confirmation that indeed you've got a morning star pattern actually being formed. Once this pattern has been confirmed, this candlestick pattern, you then want to look at entering your trade on the next candle because you're expecting this candle to go up. Now, what I would typically do is I would either put a stop loss over there, or I would actually put a stop loss over there. Stop loss. Okay, that's how I would play it, because you could, in some cases, yeah, it could go up, you could have your green, but it could also just go down, and then you're practicing risk management and you've just got a failure in terms of your morning star. But you will also tend to find that it would actually drop halfway because your institutional investors are typically quite clever, and you will find that your retail traders would tend to put a very tight stop loss over here, and they end up getting knocked out, and this thing just ends up going on its run. So that's why I'm saying it's always safe to rather just put your stop loss at the bottom of this candle, or actually at the bottom of this particular candle itself. All right, so this is a morning star. Now I do want to show you a live chart of a morning star, and we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin. Okay, so we got Bitcoin on the hourly chart, and this particular time was on the 3rd of September. So as you can see, we've got your downtrend occurring here. This is in red, so as explained, this is indicating indecisiveness in the market, and then it's followed by your green candle, and this candle is halfway of this. You don't want it any less than half way of this actual candle, because then that's just a failure of a morning star pattern. But minimum, you want this halfway. And as you can see, the trend reversal, and it's just gone up and followed going up itself. So hence they are very powerful indicators. So yeah, learn them, go get a chart up, see if you can spot it, and yeah, put that also in your arsenal. All right, guys, so that is my technical analysis on a candlestick formation known as the morning star. This is Chris Trade. Peace.